Hi, I'm Manish Gunwani. I'm the CIO equities at Nippon Mutual Fund. I've been in the markets for more than 25 years. And today I'm going to talk about an exciting new product we're launching, which is the multi-asset fund. Now, multi-asset fund का मतलब ये है कि ये फंड में न सिर्फ इक्विटीज है न डेट है, but it's a rich mixture of different assets. Now the question is, why do we need a multi-asset fund? Multi-asset fund की जरूरत इसलिए पड़ती है क्योंकि आप कोई भी टाइम फ्रेम ले लीजिए, when an asset performs well and when an asset undergoes underperformance or does not perform well, is very difficult to predict. जैसे आप लास्ट 10 years देखेंगे तो यूएस इक्विटीज ऑब्वियसली हैव डन वेल, गोल्ड लास्ट 2-3 years के रन के बाद बहुत अच्छा किया है, but domestic equities have been mixed. Credit has not done well in India. So all these different asset classes go through a different cycle. Now, the same asset classes which have not done well over last 10 years, domestic equities and credit, etc., up 2000 to 2010, these were the star assets because domestic equities had a great run. Commodities, apart from gold, your metals, oil had a great run, etc. So multi-asset fund की जरूरत इसलिए पड़ती है क्योंकि ये फोरकास्ट करना कौन सा एसेट क्लास अच्छा करता है वो मुश्किल है, और ये काफी एसेट क्लासेस अनकोरिलेटेड है. अनकोरिलेटेड मतलब जब एक अच्छा करता है दूसरा अच्छा नहीं करता है, तो अगर आप पार्शियली दोनों में हैं तो आपका रिटर्न स्टेडी हो जाता है. तो idea of a multi-asset fund is very important because it delivers a steady, stable return without too much of volatility. ये है कि आपको बहुत एक्सट्रीम रिटर्न नहीं मिलेगा दोनों साइड, क्योंकि मल्टीपल एसेट होने से एक दूसरे का हेजिंग हो जाता है, बट a steady return is something all of us desire, all of us look forward to steady return. So अब ये multi-asset fund हमारा strategy क्या है to deliver this steady return with low volatility? So this multi-asset fund has a very rich mixture of assets. We have 4 major asset classes here. One is domestic equities, second is foreign equities, third is commodities, and fourth is debt. Now debt is the stabilizing agent, kind of gives you steady return. Commodities, we will primarily be in gold. So 15% will be in commodities, out of which minimum 10% will be in gold. Foreign equities will be 20%, and domestic equities will be the biggest, which is 50%. The weight of the assets, इनका जो weight है 50 domestic equities, 20 foreign equity, 15 debt और 15 commodity. ये weight जो है ये लॉन्ग टर्म रिटर्न पोटेंशियल ऑफ ईच एसेट क्लास के हिसाब से लिए गए हैं. नाउ डोमेस्टिक इक्विटीज वी विल रन विद अ लार्ज कैप close to the benchmark kind of strategy. Foreign equities, we will mimic MSCI World, which is an index of global equities. Foreign equities में 65% roughly US के stocks हैं, 18-20% यूरोप के स्टॉक्स हैं, और बाकी सब एशियन स्टॉक्स वगैरह. कमोडिटीज में जैसे मैंने कहा 10% मिनिमम गोल्ड में रहेगा, बाकी 5% हम अपॉर्चुनिस्टिकली whichever commodity looks attractive, whether it is gold, energy, metals, we will have it in that, and debt will be short duration, high quality debt. So with this mix, we are very confident that we can deliver a steady return. So a lot of people ask us 70% तो equities में है तो ये steady कैसे हो सकता है? But एक interesting बात ये है कि आप data देखेंगे तो जो फॉरेन इक्विटीज और डोमेस्टिक इक्विटीज हैं उनका कोरिलेशन बहुत कम है. सो जो साल में फॉरेन इक्विटीज बहुत अच्छा करता है तो डोमेस्टिक इक्विटीज मे नॉट डू वेल दैट ईयर. So there is diversification between foreign equities and domestic equities as well. And of course, commodities and debt are driven by very different dynamics versus domestic equities or foreign equities. So overall, all these four asset classes will have different cycles. But the idea of the product is with this rich mix of four asset classes, we are very confident that we will deliver a very steady return with very low volatility. Question is, who should invest in this fund? Now, to our mind, this has to be a core allocation and a significant allocation of a lot of investors. The reason is why. See, if I have 100 rupees, I would want at least 60, 70, 80 rupees to be in a reasonably safe and stable investment. 5, 10 rupees, I can take a lot of risk. So since this is a product which delivers safe and stable return, combining four very big asset classes, this should be the core part of anyone's portfolio. It can be 10%, 20% of the net worth or the total savings pool. And the second point is this should be a very stable allocation, because the product by itself does a lot of diversification. So you don't need to take money out, put somewhere else, etc. Because this product has a lot of asset classes within it. So you can keep the money for a long period of time, which will also help from a taxation perspective. The other thing is, see, a multi-asset fund like this automatically takes care of asset allocation to a very large extent. The reason I'm saying that is, if you see this product, it will have quarterly rebalancing. मतलब 3 महीने के बाद जो भी प्रोडक्ट, जो भी एसेट क्लास का वेट ज्यादा हो गया है, उसको कम किया जाएगा, और जो भी एसेट क्लास का वेट कम हो गया है, उसको वापस सेम लेवल पे लाया जाएगा. जैसे मैं एज एन एग्जांपल, if let's say in a 3-month period domestic equity does very well and gold does very badly, then what will happen is the weight of commodities from 15% may fall to 12%, and the weight of domestic equities may move from 50% to 53% because of the performance of the asset class. तो 3 महीने के एंड में हम लोग डोमेस्टिक इक्विटीज थोड़ा बेच के वापस 50% लाएंगे, और जो कैश रियलाइज हुआ है उससे कमोडिटीज में इन्वेस्ट करके उसको वापस 15% लाएंगे. तो इससे क्या होता है कि एक वैल्यूएशन डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन होता है, और जो एसेट क्लास अंडर परफॉर्म कर रहा है टिपिकली वो चीप हो जाता है, फिर उसकी परफॉर्मेंस आती है. तो इन अ वे, बाय बाइंग द एसेट क्लास व्हिच इज नॉट डन वेल, we are kind of averaging which works in the long term. So that way this product framework is such that automatically it takes care of asset allocation. The other important point, like काफी लोग पूछते हैं कि ये बैलेंस फंड और बैलेंस्ड एडवांटेज फंड में भी डाइवर्सिफिकेशन है, ये प्रोडक्ट हाउ इज इट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट? सो couple of points. One is that this product offers better diversification, one purely because it has 4 asset classes, whereas a balanced and balanced advantage fund typically has only 2 asset classes, equity and debt. The other important point is ultimately in most products in the mutual fund industry at this point of time, including balanced and balanced advantage fund, ये प्योर रुपी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, इन द सेंस दैट ऑल द एसेट्स आर रुपी एसेट्स, डोमेस्टिक एसेट्स. द गुड पार्ट अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज इट गिव्स यू डाइवर्सिफिकेशन फ्रॉम अ करेंसी पर्सपेक्टिव और ग्लोबल पर्सपेक्टिव ऑल्सो, कि अगर जैसे अगर बाई चांस रुपी 75 का 80 हो गया, तो जो 2 एसेट क्लासेस हैं, फॉरेन इक्विटीज एंड कमोडिटीज, उनको बेनिफिट होता है, क्योंकि जैसे फॉरेन इक्विटीज डॉलर एसेट है, उसको हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं रुपीज में, तो अगर रुपी डेप्रिशिएट होता है तो उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ जाती है. सिमिलरली कमोडिटीज डॉलर में ही प्राइसिंग होती है, तो क्रूड अगर 40 to 50 डॉलर हो गया और रुपी 75 to 80 हो गया, तो 75 to 80 का एडेड गेन हो जाता है कमोडिटीज में. सो वर्सेस लॉट ऑफ अदर प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच आर प्योर रुपी और डोमेस्टिक एसेट बेस्ड, this product also has the benefit of having international assets which benefit from rupee depreciation. So with these 2 differentiating points, we believe it gives better diversification and better hedging and lower volatile return versus most other products in the market at this point of time. So overall, as I mentioned, this product offers a great potential experience for the investors. This is a NFO which opens on 7th August. It will run till 21st August. We all look forward to your participation, and you can use the Groww platform to subscribe to the NFO. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.